What do we have here? Eggplant Caponata, my favorite all-time condiment. Sweet and sour eggplant relish. It's the best way to describe it. It's very Sicilian, southern Italy. Super easy to make. It'll take you about an hour start to finish. You can put it on little crostini. You can put it on fish. You can put it on meat. You can put it on anything. You can eat it right out of the bowl. It's so awesome. You can have it warm, cold. It freezes great. Throw it in the freezer, make a big batch. Eat it 6 months later. It's still awesome. Remember, like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. This Realtor is Cooking. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, James Trudy Realtor. Enjoy this. The recipe is in the notes. There'll be a link. You can print it. You can look at it. You can love it. It's so good. Bye. Enjoy.
Down in Fala, down in Italy. You can hear it from Venice to Napoli. It's goodbye to the opera and symphony when the trad band starts to play. How they cheer when they hear it fortissimo. How they dance and romance when piano